Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to update Surfshark app, which is very easy and quick. You can update your app through Google Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Here, open Play Store. Now we are on the home page. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now, type Surfshark in the search bar at the top of the page. And press the search icon at the bottom right corner. Here you can see app results. Tap on the Surfshark app. Now you can see apps update information on this page. If an update is available, you would see an update button next to uninstall button. If not, you would simply see open option. In this video, you can see the app is up to date. You can also enable auto update option to automatically update the app in the future. To do so, tap the three dots in the top right corner, then tap on Enable Auto Update button. Now you don't have to frequently check whether an update is available or not. And that's it for the video. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.